May love life na ba ang lahat ngayong bagong taon? Ang British national na si Serenity, nahanap ang kanyang serenity sa beautiful island of Siargao. Sino kaya ang maswerteng the one? Walang iba kundi ang ating kababayan na laking Siargao, si Melvin. Pero paano nga ba sila dinala ng alon papunta sa isa't isa?
I've always wanted to travel since I was like really young. I wanted to get out and explore the world and travel and see new cultures.
Bukod sa kagustuhan niyang mag-travel, may dahilan pala kung bakit gusto niyang libutin ang mundo.
And I was doing like 14 exams in the space of 1 month and it was really intense. At that time, a breakup of a long-term relationship I was in at the time, I knew I wanted to go away and travel and see the world and get some time to myself to really like heal and move on and process everything that happened.
Kaya naman si Serenity, nilipot ang Southeast Asia para makapagpahinga. Nagpunta sa Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, hanggang sa makarating sa Pilipinas. At ang isa raw sa nakabighani sa kanyang puso, ang likas na ganda ng Siargao.
I first visited here in like April-May time last year. I just love the island, I love the vibe, the people.
Dito niya nakilala ang surfing instructor na si Melvin.
Bago ko nakilala si Serenity, dati yung buhay ko, pumapasok ako kahit anong trabaho, kung wala akong student, nag-apply ako ng labor, harvest ng palay.
Pero nang makita si Serenity, ang mundo niya tila nagkaroon ng kulay.
Sobrang maganda talaga. Parang sa piling ko parang nanaginip lang ako. Doon na nagsimula yung mga kulita namin. Doon na nagsimula yung parang doon din, parang sa tagal namin nag-usap noon sa dagat. Parang kinubuan ako ng yung feeling sa kanya, pero hindi ko pinapakita sa kanya. Pagkabukas, surfing naman kami, parang excited ako, parang palagi ako excited ako gumising.
Aba, unang kita pa lang, parang na-love at first sight na. At sa bawat araw na magkasamang nagsasurfing, mas lalo raw napalapit ang dalawa.
There was a little bit of feelings there, but we were mainly just friends. We just clicked really well. We got along really well. It was more...
Pero ang kanilang namumuong love story, naun siya me. Si Serenity kasi, nag-travel naman papuntang Japan at Bangkok.
Naano ako, nung pag-alis ni Serenity dito, tapos pumunta sa ibang bansa, dun sa Japan, halos 1 week, parang nawalan ako ng lakas.
Obviously, me and Melvin ended up getting along way better than I thought, and these feelings developed way quicker than I thought.
Namimiss ko yung mga ginagawa namin, yung mga lalo na yung smile siya, tapos palagi siya nakatawa.
About a week after I left, he was messaging me, asking me how I was, what I was doing. Like the whole of the time I was in Japan, I was FaceTiming him every single day for like 4 or 5 hours a day.
Pero ang kanilang atraksyon, matindi pa sa hampas ng alon. Nang si Serenity, hinila pabalik kay Melvin.
I didn't expect all this to happen, but when it did, I was like, I can't leave now. Like, we've fallen in love, so I don't want to go back to England. I just was like, I'm just going to stay here for as long as I can. When I'm around Melvin, I'm always smiling and laughing. Like, I don't know, it's just like a warm feeling. I always just feel good energy and like at peace and calm and relaxed. Just feel upbeat and I feel happy in myself. And I'm always smiling and laughing.
Ang pangalawang pagkakataong ito, hindi na pinalagpas ni Melvin, kaya dumamoves na siya kay Serenity. Pero dahil magkaiba ng kinalakihan, ginawa raw nila ang lahat para magkaintindihan.
Yung pag-pronounce mo ng yung lingwahe niya, tulad ng nasabi niya, can you pass the water? What? Water? Tapos natawa siya. Tapos sabi ko na, what? What water? Water. Nay, sabi niya.
Iba pala.
Water. Water pala.
I've been here, 7 months? and I can speak probably like 50 words or less. But I try. I do try, and I'm trying to learn, and I do always ask him, like, how do you say this? What does that mean? Mahal na mahal kita. It's what you taught me how to say, I love you, in Tagalog. It's Tagalog, isn't it?
It's Tagalog.
Ang lahat ng ito, kanilang nalampasan. Kaya naman ang status nila, magdadalawang taon ng in a relationship sa isa't isa.
Because he's funny, he's kind, he made me feel really special. Got along so well and like really clicked.
Pero dahil magkaiba ng lahi at itsura, ang dalawa, hindi raw nakalalagpas sa ibang mapangmata. Pero dahil magkaiba ng lahi at itsura, ang dalawa, hindi raw nakalalagpas sa ibang mapangmata.
Sa online, nag-comment sa amin, maraming talaga ano sa akin. Ba't siya pa yung pinili mo? Na yung parang tinila hirap lang daw ako.
Pero kung may hinihintay nga raw silang opinyon mula sa iba, yun ay ang pagpayag ng kani-kanilang magulang sa relasyon nilang dalawa. Lalo pa at ang ama ni Serenity mula UK, lumipad pa Pilipinas para puntahan ang anak.
They were like, you can love who you can love as long as you're happy, and he looks after you. Like, they did not mind at all, and I was actually quite like relieved about that.
Aladyo, ibalik ka mo sa ila, pero ipakita ko sa iyo na kung ano na ako pagpayanggan ni mo bata.
Kahit pa nasa United Kingdom si Serenity ngayon, para ipagpatuloy ang kanyang pag-aaral, ang dalawa, together forever pa rin daw ang drama.
Melvin, I promise to always support you and be there for you, and I promise to always love you.
Dahil para kina Melvin at Serenity, ang kanilang pag-iibigan, hindi lang daw pang isla ng Siargao. Dahil saan man sila dalhin ng alon o sa ibang bansa, mananatili silang matatag.